Make a great choice today with the 2014 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, touring suspension, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.